Virtual reality, VR, is a computer-generated, immersive, and interactive environment that users can explore and engage with. It typically involves the use of specialized VR hardware, such as headsets and software, to create a simulated reality that can replicate or simulate the real world or create entirely fantastical environments. VR enhances user experiences by providing a sense of presence and immersion, allowing individuals to interact with and navigate through a computer-generated environment in a way that feels realistic. Here's how VR works and the ways in which it enhances user experiences. Key characteristics of virtual reality. Immersive environment. VR creates a digital environment that surrounds users, making them feel as though they are physically present in a different place or setting. Head-mounted displays, HMDs. Users typically wear headsets or head-mounted displays, HMDs, that contain screens for each eye. These screens display stereoscopic images to create a three-dimensional effect. Motion tracking. VR systems use motion tracking technology to monitor the movements of the user's head and sometimes other body parts. This tracking is essential for updating the visual display in real time to match the user's perspective. Interactivity. VR environments often allow users to interact with the virtual world using controllers, gloves, or other input devices. This adds a layer of realism and engagement to the experience. Sensory feedback. Some VR systems incorporate additional sensory feedback, such as haptic feedback, vibrations, and spatial audio, to enhance the sense of presence and immersion. How VR enhances user experiences. Immersive exploration. VR allows users to explore virtual environments as if they were physically present. This is particularly valuable for applications such as virtual tourism, training simulations, and architectural walkthroughs. Training and simulation. In various industries, VR is used for training purposes. For example, pilots, medical professionals, and emergency responders can use VR simulations to practice and refine their skills in a realistic and risk-free environment. Gaming and entertainment. VR has revolutionized the gaming and entertainment industries by providing a more immersive and interactive experience. Users can feel like they are part of the game or movie, enhancing the overall entertainment value. Education and learning. VR is increasingly used in education to create engaging and interactive learning experiences. Students can explore historical sites, dissect virtual organisms, or participate in immersive language learning exercises. Therapeutic applications. VR is being explored as a therapeutic tool for treating conditions such as anxiety, PTSD, and phobias. Virtual environments can be designed to expose individuals to controlled and therapeutic scenarios. Remote collaboration. VR enables remote collaboration by creating virtual meeting spaces where users, represented by avatars, can interact with each other in a shared environment. This is particularly relevant for businesses with distributed teams. Architectural design and visualization. Architects and designers use VR to visualize and explore architectural designs in a three-dimensional space. Clients can virtually walk through buildings before construction begins. Virtual conferencing and events. VR provides an alternative to traditional video conferencing by allowing users to participate in virtual meetings, conferences, and events in a more immersive and engaging manner. Cultural and historical experiences. VR can transport users to historical or cultural settings, offering virtual visits to museums, historical sites, and landmarks. This allows for educational and enriching experiences without physical travel. Enhanced storytelling. VR enhances storytelling by immersing users in narrative experiences. Whether in documentaries, virtual tours, or interactive storytelling, users can feel more connected to the narrative. Medical visualization. In medicine, VR is used for visualizing complex medical data, conducting surgical simulations, and planning surgeries. It provides a three-dimensional perspective that enhances understanding and decision-making. In summary, VR enhances user experiences by creating immersive and interactive digital environments that can be applied across various industries and use cases. Whether for entertainment, education, training, or therapeutic purposes, VR has the potential to transform how individuals engage with digital content and environments.